So as you get older, your hearing progressively gets worse and worse, and there's no way to reverse it or even fix it. So it's really important that you take care of your hearing, and that means lowering the volume when you listen to music or even wearing earplugs at concerts. And for those who are interested, there's actually a way to test how old your ears are, kind of just to see where you're at right now. You just need to look up E-Chalk hearing test and click that first result. So I start the test, and you press the button when you can't hear it anymore. Can you still hear it? Okay, good. It's very high pitch.
Yeah.
Very, very high pitch. It's gone. My hearing is 22, so I've taken really good care of my ears, so try it out for yourself. Try it on your parents too.